flat is an array method that takes an array, and if there's subarrays in there of whatever depth they may be, it will recursively go through and hand you a new array. So what we're first going to do is just console log out kind of how it works, and then I'll prove to you, because this is a tutorial, that does indeed return an array. So let's go ahead and use our trusty number array and get to work. So now we're going to go ahead and run this. And we see that it takes care of the 4, but not quite for the 5 and 6. And that's because the default is 1. So if we wanted to do, let's just throw a 3 in here. Try this again. We see that it flattens out everything right here. So now let's go ahead and show that you could actually get an array from this. And there you go. This is flat. It's pretty cool, especially if you just have a bunch of stuff you just kind of want to see all, laid out together in the same depth. If you like what you saw, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good jazz, and I'll see you in the next video.